Uy, pa kasi ako kumakain. Oo. Ayun na lang, diet. I need a little bit of drugs, come on. Natetense silang lahat. Yan. Just gonna take a quick break. Like 1 second. 1.